My kitties are fully spoiled. They just don't want to eat food from the bowl, but prefer to eat from my hand. So I cooked a chicken thigh for them, and they didn't want to eat from the bowl. Instead, when I feed them with my hand, they all feel delicious. They like it, they ate a lot. See this little ragdoll critter? Yummy, huh? Is it? More? You want more chicken? Chicken thigh? Goodness, that's so delicious, right? Why didn't you eat from the bowl? Why you want to use such expensive bowl from hand? You kitties. You kitty life, so good, so great. So I had to take more chicken for you? Yep, pick a big one. Oh, drop to the floor. You're gonna have to clean it from the carpet. Otherwise, ants will come over. And you guys will have a lot of ants on your head, on your body, on your tail. Okay, more? One more? That's a big one. This big chunk of chicken. Yummy, huh? Just can't stop, right? Alright, one more? Alright. Here it is, a big chunk. Okay. Don't drop it to the carpet, okay? Alright, that's quick bite. Okay, smell it. It's the same. Chicken thigh, nothing else. Alright. Yep, chew it good, okay? Don't eat too fast. Digestion, very good. Okay, let's try some vegetable carrots. Taste it? Yeah, chicken flavor. Okay, take a little bit bite. No more? Chicken? Alright, chicken. Yep, more chicken. Shit. You just enjoy it, huh? More chicken. Alright? Alright. That's awesome. Well, you have more bowls. You just don't want to see the bowl. You want to see my hand. Oh, you ate fast. Critter, you eat too fast. And you don't like carrots. Carrots has a lot of antioxidants. It's good for digestion. Alright, a little bit more. That's it, That's it.